What's up, you beautiful people? Bring you the Hero 8 Black from GoPro unboxing video. We got a 12 megapixel camera, 4K by 60, 33 feet, 10 meters, water resistant, waterproof, and 1080p live streaming. Got the new technology with the Hypersmooth 2.0, and here we have the accessories that it comes with: camera, battery, our tool pieces here, and in the back it's telling us about the GoPro app, which is actually a fairly good app. And then here we have a 12 megapixel camera, 4K, 1080p, 240, slow-mo 8x, Hypersmooth 2.0, time warp 2.0, 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo plus HDR raw, and then it shows like you can use the fingers and how that goes, and touchscreen, as well as water and the GPS. So I was gonna crack this open by just pulling this little tab here and see how we go. So I do have the 7. Now you actually want to keep this box here, you know, you can use it, keep pieces in there, or use it with this piece here, and it just acts like another free stand in a way. So here we have, just tells you exactly how to take it off, how to remove it from the layers here. You just push that, and then that. So that goes there, up like that, and now that slides right on out. And you can actually use this piece as an additional mount. And here we go with the plus for free. Gives you 50% off on accessories. So it's a good thing to get and use. Some other cards that we have here with the GoPro app, and how to install the units and the battery, and how to put the cards in there. The wires, and then you have this piece, and then if you want to mount it anywhere else, I get you the GoPro stickers. I have those stickers, the GoPro, and then the power cable, as well as some sticky pieces here, and the battery. And I believe that's it. Yep, that is all for that. And it's a branded GoPro, USB to 2.0 or USB-C. And this should be a 3.0 USB, but yeah, GoPro branded. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll have some footage on this in the future, and thanks for watching. If you want to see more footage, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.